Assalamualaikum, I am Talha from class 2A. Today I am making Iguana from letter I. It is easily to make at home. Let's start the video. First write capital letter I like this. Now I tell you how to draw iguana from letter I. First we have to do like this. Then we have to go up. Here stop here. Then we have to draw another. Then we have to do like this. Then this. Then we have to do like this. Then we have to do like this. Then we have to make a C. Then like this. Then we have to do like this. Then do like this. Then we have to do like this. Then we have to make from here like this. Then we have to do again from here. Then we have to make here eyes. Then we have to put one circle in the eye. Then we have to make one more circle here. Then we have to make here this. Then we have to make straight line here. Then we have to make two line here. We have to make two line in tail. Then we have to make this. And we have to draw from here this. Look, iguana is done. I have made from letter I. You can color it as you like. Now I draw 3 more circles. 1, 2 and 3. 2 circle here and 1 circle here. Now I use these 4 colors: green, red, blue and black. Let's color it. You can see how I am coloring. You can use any color, poster color, pencil. I use light green color in this. I use blue and black color in eyeball. Here we have to do black color. And here blue. I use red color in this area. Use red color here also. I also use red color. Now iguana is done after coloring. In the last I am using black outline. Iguana is done. Today this this video I have told you how to draw iguana from letter I. I hope you like this video. This video is for kids who like drawing. Please like, share, subscribe the channel. See you soon. Allah Hafiz.